I'm Akila, and this is you. And welcome to
Tagalog for Kids.
Tagalog for Kids. And today we're in the middle of a pandemic, and we have been asked to do things that we should already know. Like, 1, don't touch your face. This is so that the virus won't be able to enter your body. So, don't is huwag, touch is hawakan, and face is mukha. So, don't touch your face or huwag hawakan ang mukha. Huwag hawakan ang mukha. And 2, when you sneeze or cough, what do? Good job. You cover with your elbow. Like that. Cough is obo. Obo. And sneeze is bahin. Bahin. But sometimes people say aching. Aching! Like that. And next is we're gonna wash our hands. Wash is hugas and hands is mga kamay. So wash your hands or maghugas ng mga kamay. Maghugas ng mga kamay. And of course, we're going to use soap or sabon.
Sabon.
So now we're going to wash our hands. This is tubig, and sabon, and the faucet, gripo. So let's start! So the proper way to wash your hands is for 20 seconds. The way you can measure that is to sing happy birthday 2 times, or what Aya likes to do is sing baby shark until daddy shark. That's about 20 seconds. Let's wash your hands. Now let's start. Baby shark, dee 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 dee, baby shark, dee 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 dee, baby shark, dee 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 dee, baby shark. Mommy shark, dee dee dee, mommy shark, dee dee dee, mommy shark, dee dee dee, mommy shark. Daddy shark, dee dee dee, daddy shark, dee dee dee, daddy shark, dee dee dee, daddy shark. It's important that you scrub your hands or kuskos. Scrub or kuskos. Kuskos. So it's also important to wash the fingertips because that's what people forget the most to wash. So like this, and the thumbs, and the nails too. I go like this. This. I was finished. And now let's rinse our hands or Banlawan natin. Banlawan natin.
I love tubig. Yes, lamig na. I love lamig, but init I don't want.
And the last part of washing is to dry your hands. And we use a towel or tuwalya.
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 Paper towel.
Yes, not paper towel. We have to save Mother Earth.
Mother Earth.
Dry. And speaking of paper towels, we don't stock up on toilet paper, like a whole box of toilet paper, because we use tabo.
In the bathtub, in the shower, in the sink.
Yes, you are a Filipino if you use a tabo. And just some last reminders. Stay hydrated, drink lots of water, eat your vegetables, and stay healthy. Right, Aya?
Yeah.
And
I like fruit and vegetables.
yes, eat all your fruits and vegetables. Keep your distance from people when you go outside. It's called social distancing. Okay, that's all for today. Stay safe, stay healthy, and always pray. We'll get through this together. See you in our next
Video.
Don't forget to
Like, subscribe. Bye.
and hit that notifications bell, ding ding ding, so you'll be the first to see our videos. Bye bye, Akila out.
That's your face. Bye.